Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Swagbucks application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks app on your device, and after you have been taken into the homepage, you will see the Continue with Google or the Continue with Email option. Now, if you used your Google account to sign up to begin with, then you can tap on Continue with Google and then choose your Google account that is associated. Otherwise, tap on Continue with Email and then type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account. After typing in the email, just tap on the Continue button, and now the password box will appear. So just type in your account password within the given box, and you can tap on the Continue button. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgot Password option, and you can proceed with resetting your password using the link within your inbox. After clicking on the Continue button, you will finally be logged into your account, and now you can continue your surveys as well as various different offers to get rewarded. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Swagbucks application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.